A clean vehicle is more than appearance. It reflects pride, care, and attention to detail. With the Armor All Snow Foam Wash and Foam Cannon Kit, every wash becomes a satisfying detailing experience right at home. From the first trigger pull, thick layers of rich foam cover your vehicle, instantly transforming a routine wash into an effective and enjoyable process. This kit is designed for car owners who want professional-style results without complicated steps or extra effort. The set includes one foam cannon and one 16 fluid ounces bottle of Armor All Snow Foam Wash, perfectly matched to work together. When connected to a pressure washer, the foam cannon produces intense, clinging suds that stay on the surface longer. This foam actively loosens dirt, road grime, and residue, helping reduce friction during washing and supporting a safer clean for your paintwork. The Snow Foam Wash formula contains hydrating agents that keep the foam wetter for longer-lasting suds. Its pH-balanced composition is safe for vehicles with wax or sealant coatings, allowing you to maintain protection while cleaning effectively. Whether you are washing a daily driver, a work truck, or a cherished classic car, this versatile exterior cleaner delivers reliable results without compromising your finish. Ease of use is a key advantage. The foam cannon features a non-slip grip for better control and an easy fill container that simplifies preparation. Designed specifically for pressure washer use, it maximizes foam output while minimizing effort, helping you complete washes faster and with greater consistency. The pleasant scent adds to the overall experience, making each wash feel more rewarding. If you want deeper foam, easier cleaning, and a more enjoyable way to keep your vehicle looking its best, this kit is a smart addition to your car washing supplies. Click the link in the video description to check availability and pricing. Subscribe to the channel to discover more useful car care products and honest reviews that help you make confident buying decisions.